The Spike streaming live from Long Island, New York, where the market is officially closed. Another good day. I think we're melting up.
Yeah, if you talk more broadly, yeah, we're looking pretty good.
I think the
Yeah.
10 stocks that led the market up is now becoming 20, it's becoming 30, it's becoming 40.
I mean, Target actually went up 3%, which is not bad considering that it was people were like sort of giving up on it.
Yeah, like me, I sold all my Target.
No, I held on. I mean, look, these guys want to do the right thing, and the assholes want to keep them from doing that. It's not right.
So today, I want to discuss, I know it's not on my list, but I want to discuss Apple and its new gizmo a little bit.
Yeah, you're thinking that's going to have some really big impact on their bottom line, huh?
I think so because it's up to the content developers. Once they get a hold of it and develop some nifty three-dimensional games, every kid in the world is going to want that gizmo. If you think the Xbox is popular, wait till they develop shit for the goggle, whatever they call
Right. So what? You don't have to use your hands anymore. You use your tongue.
it. Use your pupil. Just
Oh,
make
you use
eye
your,
motions. I
oh,
don't.
you use your pupils. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. Well, then they should do it for good. Somebody who can, use that to speak better if they have muscular dystrophy or something.
I got lucky buying Unity, and then the announcement that Unity is partnering with them on that gizmo for the software.
Well, that's good.
It jumped from 26 to now it was 42 yesterday. I don't know what it is today.
Let me take a look.
I said I was going to sell some at 42, but I forgot to put the sell in. By the time I put the sell in, it was in the 41s and back.
Well, it's 41.69 right now, and after hours it's losing maybe an additional 11 cents. So you're right in the money anyway.
I might actually not sell now and just buy more. I think it's going.
There you go.
Look, if it breaks 40,
Yeah, the chart has got plenty of momentum for you.
if it breaks 43, it looks like it can really take off.
Oh, if
And
it if
this is a
the
long-term.
sell off if the sell off continues, it'll be showing trim signs. Certainly not sell
Chris
signs.
wants us to chart something that isn't biotech. I'm in shock,
Really?
end phase. I'm in shock. Curtis, you giving up on biotech? Biotech is Drek, as Professor Spike learned today from Editas.
Oh, please. Unbelievable.
I took a swing trade. There's four stocks that I listed in the Biodrek arena: Geron, Athesis, TGTX, and Mankind. I get one of them I bought today for a swing. I'm not going to tell you everyone which one. Keep people in suspense. Not all four of them. He would like us to chart a biotech.
There
Okay.
you go.
Cabinet guy is with us today. Hey, cabinet guy
Hello.
from the Green Mountain state of Vermont. Well, should we waste any time or should we get right
No,
to
if Kamal's not waiting in the wings, let's just get to it.
There's nothing to talk about in baseball, right? Mets, Yankees, nothing to talk about.
That was such a horrible game. It
Ten,
wasn't even worth. It wasn't even worth talking about.
first 7 innings were well pitched, at least.
Yeah, well, comedy of errors
That's
afterwards.
something I think the Mets missed Tom Seaver.
You think? Maybe they miss Yogi Berra.
And maybe Jerry Kuzman also. They could use both.
Yeah, I wouldn't blame the pitching this go round.
Would you say Seaver, Kuzman, and Gentry were better than any pitcher on the Mets today?
Yes, at the moment. I mean, Verlander did a decent job, but overall, it's not like even the second phase.
Cabinet guy is giving away my secrets.
of good Mets.
All right, let's share screen. We got to chart stuff and tell the people what they want to hear. Should people stop and give us a like, and we should thank everyone for viewing, of course. We love loyal viewers.
You guys were here, and he's not.
I'm very
In particular, I wanted to talk about Editas.
I'm very appreciative of this, of our steady viewers that we have, you know? Uh-oh. I think there's a problem. We lost Professor Spike. All right. Well, he'll come back, I'm sure. Meanwhile, let's take a look at something. How about we start with TGTX? This is one of 4 or 5 bios that we're going to look at today. I'm thinking I was thinking of adding one, so I did. Which one did I add? Well, maybe it's this one, quite possibly. I'm not saying yet till the end of the show. But this is right on support on the 50-day. Closed right at support. And there's a lot of support below at 24.92 area. So it makes for a good swing setup with a stop loss at, let's say, 24 and a take profit up around $31. That's a pretty fair trade. 31 would make you figure 4.5 points, and 24 you would lose 2.5 points. So that's pretty good odds. I like that for a swing. So it's a possible swing, but it's also a possible long-term hold. So maybe the way you play this one is you buy here and you sell half at 31 and hold the other half for a while until it gets bought out. This one has buyout prospects. It has a successful drug that went through the FDA PDUFA process for MS, relapse, multiple sclerosis. Did Professor Spike make it back? Let's see. No, Professor Spike is having trouble getting on. Huh. My other recent swing trade was you, and I went into that one at 28 and I bought a little more at 26 when it dropped. And I got lucky with that because they're partnering with Apple on the Gizmo, the virtual reality Gizmo. I think they're going to wind up selling 1 million inside of a year and a half. And I don't know the arrangement exactly, but Unity will make a lot of money. As content creators come in, they have to use Unity as software, I guess, I'm not sure. So, Professor Spike, what happened to you? Huh. Still not back. I feel lost without Professor Spike. All right, let's put in the next bio that I put down. ATHX. This one has come down from way higher, 10-for-1 reverse split. I picked some up at 50 cents, sold at $1.50. Is it one to get back into at this point in time? Let's take a look at the technicals. A lot of support right underneath where it's trading at. A lot of support right here at 89 pennies, trading at 93 pennies. So I would say yes. This looks like a very excellent time to get into ATHX. 1 minute, I'm going to open a little window in here. Of course, we all know about ATHX as I keep talking while I open the window. ATHX is Athersys. They have a product called Multistem that's for ischemic stroke. And I believe it's going to pass everything. It'll pass FDA, it'll pass EU, EMA, but it's down the road, the approval for this one. So they have to survive as a company. Meanwhile, it looks like a decent spot to get in my opinion. Let's take a look. Is it one to swing? Well, maybe you could get out at $1.14 for a quick scalp. So that's another possibility. I'm still looking for Professor Spike. He came back. I was telling everybody I can't do the show without you. I'm lost without you.
You are right, sir.
Yeah. So Andrew says we could have swung TGTX and TGT. Swing them both.
That's true.
Yeah. Indubitably is here from Texas. He flew into New York just for the show.
There you go. For the local flavor.
I talked about TGTX.
Yes,
I talked about Athersys.
Yeah, I'm still in Athersys, so I'm waiting and waiting and waiting.
Talked about Apple, talked about you, but I didn't chart it.
Okay.
Should I take a quick look at you?
You might
I like
well.
Apple and you. I like them both. Of course, you gotta like Apple.
Of course.
I found out how to keep the daily. Someone told me in a comment.
Okay, good.
I just type it in, quote, lookup, and it keeps the daily.
Okay.
What a move, right? I caught this move.
Yes, you caught the rising balloon.
Yeah. I should have put 10 times as much on it as I did. It would have been rich.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
All right, but I'm happy with my trade. I cashed some earlier, bought back, playing around with it. All right, so where's this going? Higher. How much higher is it going?
Well, you were talking about its potential in terms of, based on the number of headsets.
Go back up here around $58. With a break of 43, looking at 58.
Okay.
What other bios were I in?
Well, I was looking, since I was complaining about Edit, I wanted to talk to you. Oh, Mankind and the one that we did together.
Mankind is definitely a play here. It put in a good bottom, and it put in a very strong looking bottom turnaround candle back here 4 or 5 trading days ago. Looks quite attractive. They have the Technosphere, that gizmo, the gizmo. It's got the gizmo. I like gizmos. They have basically two drugs, right? Afrezza and Tyvaso. 2 drugs. One is their own, the other is partnered with United Health. So are they a play? They're always a play, because with that gizmo, they could go and they can pulverize 20 other drugs pretty quickly.
Plus, they are showing nibble signs.
Yeah, and Tyvaso is selling rather well. So I like it. I like Mankind. I like it right here. It's a swing trade. Why not? stop loss at 350 and take profit up here at 485 if you want to play a quickie. I think it'll hit 485 before it hits whatever I said at 350.
Mhm.
So that's enough about Mankind. We all know Mankind. Dr. Mann was the founder and all of that. What was the other one that I listed? Geron.
Oh yeah, you were talking about Geron.
Geron,
This is one of your nemesis.
see, they have the MDS drug. Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Stay
this is
away.
your nemesis.
Stay away.
Just when you think you're happy.
I think it's going all the way down to these moving averages, 280. I don't know what the heck is wrong with it, but I'm not touching this one.
Yeah, what were you thinking when you even mentioned it?
I didn't look at the chart. I hadn't looked at the chart.
Well, let's look at edits for some more bad news.
More terrible news. It went right down to support, though. The chart doesn't look that terrible.
No, pretty bad day today, though.
Lost 16%, but it came right down to support, so maybe it's a play here. Could be a play. I don't know. You're in it for so long. Just add a little more. Hold your nose.
Right, exactly. That's the whole thing, because
Hold your nose and buy a little
grab
more.
this as an opportunity.
Buy a little more. I sold a little crispy yesterday. I couldn't stand it.
Did you? Or you giving up on CRISPR, or you just?
I haven't given up. I just sold a small fraction. I didn't like the chart. It busted support.
Yeah, no, I know. This chart looks.
Next support is at
It's
50,
got a little
next
downside.
support is at 57.24 roughly. You see the purple line?
Yes.
It's right there. 57.25, the 50-day. So I think it'll probably get down there. I don't like BioDrec as a rule, but I did buy one of them. One of them I bought. What was the one that Curtis wanted again?
ARDX.
A what? RDX?
Yes.
Made money on this one.
You have to forgive me. I'm in the middle of.
I like the candle today. It recovered nicely, but I don't like the chart. Anyway, I would stay away from this one. It looks a little scary to me, so I wouldn't touch this one at this point in time. Of course, our opinions are strictly our own, not investment advice. Check with an advisor before acting, all of that. Any other ones that I should do?
Well, do you still? What else is on your list?
I think I covered it all. IWM.
Oh, let's look at that one. Just to see. All right.
It broke support. 180 was the resistance. It broke resistance. That'll be new support. Actually, support is. It looks like support is higher than that. You got support right here at 183.90.
Oh boy, this was one ship I missed. Huh?
I think this one is going to retest 199.
That'll be great.
As the market rally broadens out, this will go up. You want to look at the diamonds? They had a great day today.
Well, did you do the spiders already?
Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Well, it wasn't that great, but it was good. It was higher than this during the day. Right up and through resistance. Looking good. The Dow Jones Industrial. Why not own the 30 Dow stocks? Is there anything wrong with that?
I can't see any reason not to. And plus, your blue chips are doing fantastically.
If it breaks 348.12, I think it's got run written all over it. Last year's big winner, relatively speaking, was with diamonds. Not this year. This year it's been the Qs, and the Qs continue to run. Run, baby, run.
Oh man, look at that! It's even beating your band.
I think it's up about 38% year to date.
Unbelievable! That's so nice.
I'm getting rich just with the freaking Qs.
You know why? Because I bought the SQs about 3 months ago.
Oh, I told you not to do that.
I know.
You're listening to Mike.
I would just do it as a hedge.
You're getting corrupted by Mike Wilson.
I was a hedge, I mean, I'm not going to sell it, obviously. I just hold on to it.
Why?
Well,
It's going to go to zero.
All right.
Why would you hold on to that? It's garbage.
Well, because at any moment things could turn.
So,
Like insurance.
How far down is it going to go? Not that much.
All right, you're probably right.
And
Especially looking at that little.
On a pullback,
at the end is parabolic.
on a pullback, you're looking at 333, 334.
Right, and if it comes back there, I could always just jump back in again.
Yeah.
That's a good point.
I don't think it's going down that low, but it could, because we've had a huge run. And usually they don't go straight up. They do go up and down. Is there any other requests? I'm done.
Let me see if I think we'll just have a short show today, so.
All right, so we're done. And we much appreciate everyone coming, those watching us live, those watching us on replay. Got all weekend to catch up to us. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, everybody.
It is Father's Day. I know I got something in the mail from one of my daughters.
Oh, okay.
It was something I got to return, of course.
What's the thought that counts?
Thought that counts. Adios, amigos. Ciao.
Bye-bye, everybody.